Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 in connection with dynamic link library error. So we can find from Royce Williamson asked about this on answer.microsoft.com. So here the user helped us to fix this, and I already tried and it's fixed. My problem with dynamic link library error now removed. Now it's clear. So here there are two methods that you can try. The first one, you can restart the Windows module installer service. You can hold or press Windows key and R. Here we go. And you can try to run service SMC. This one, services.mfc. Click OK and you can find Windows module installer and you can try to stop it. Then start the service, restart your computer and check if the issue get resolved. Here, let's find Windows a modular installer. This one, Windows modules installer. You can double click and try to stop. As you can see, I already stopped it. Then you can restart your computer. The second method, you can try to run system file checker, scan and check if that helps. You can run SFC scan, so you can search CMD and run as administrator. Click yes. Here you can run SFC scan. Here SFC space hashtag scan now. Here you can try to enter. Sorry, let's delete this first. Hit enter and let the system scan your missing file or corrupted files. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.